calculate median. In case of district series, the meaning is this: when frequencies are also given along with the size of the item. Let's start solving it. Step 1. The first step that you must put in place is you will arrange the size of item in ascending order. The size of item, they were the marks. The lowest mark from those students is 5 mark. The one that next is 15 mark. The one that next is 25. I have been able to arrange it in ascending order. You can arrange it in ascending order or arrange it in descending order. Any of these, it is approved. Now let's go to step 2. So step 2 will now tell you what to do. What is step 2? Calculate the cumulative frequency. Now, what is the cumulative frequency? The 10, this 10, we add to 0, it will be 10. The 20 we add to 10, we have 30. 30 we add to 30, we have 60. 50 we add to 60, we have 110. 40 we have to 110, we have 150. 30 we add to 150, we have 180. So this is the step 2 to how to calculate cumulative frequency. So let's go to the next step and get what we need to know. So now the next step is step 3 is this: ascertain n plus 1 items. This is n plus 1 item, which is 180 is the total, which is 180 plus 1 to divide by 2. It gives us 181 to divide by 2, whereby we have 90.5 times. So that is item. So 90.5 times of the item, that is the meaning. So let's go to the step 4. Let's go to step 4. So step 4 says that cumulative frequency, which includes 90.5. How do you want to know that? Remember, this 90.5 cannot be 10. 90.5 cannot be in 30. Cannot be in 60. It cannot be in 150 also. 180. But it will be around 110. Remember that number of students is 50. So what item is around this place? So it is 90. It is 110. 110. Can you see? So it means 110 under the cumulative frequency. So this one will not give you the next step to know where to go. So therefore the next step is this. It said formula is this: median is equal to size of item corresponding to 110. Can you see? So our median would be size of the item corresponding to this. This is the frequency of that mark. So this is now the median. So you correspond the 110 to the item. So the final answer, which is the median of this problem, is 35. So 35 is now the answer. So this is case for you to know more about this. So this one related to this. Can you see? So answer is 35. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this video is useful for you, and also try to share this video to wherever you believe it is important for them. So thanks for watching this video.